DJI isn't just dropping a new action camera this year. They're shaking up the entire landscape of on-the-go filmmaking. Meet the upcoming Osmo Action 6, a rugged, ultra-compact powerhouse set to make waves in the world of adventure content. But that's not all. DJI's got even more firepower planned with the upcoming Mavic 4 Pro, a cinematic drone that may redefine aerial filming. If you're a content creator, vlogger, outdoor enthusiast, or just a tech fanatic, this new generation of DJI gear is made for you. Buckle up, because the upgrades are massive, the specs are outrageous, and the timing is just right for a whole new era of mobile content creation. Let's kick things off with the Osmo Action 6. And trust us, this isn't just a spec bump. It's an all-out transformation. Osmo Action 6, a new breed of action cam. DJI's Action series has always been about bringing high-quality footage to places traditional cameras can't go. Dirt trails, mountain peaks, underwater dives, and extreme sports. With the Osmo Action 6, DJI is packing pro-grade tools into a palm-sized beast that refuses to compromise. Rugged familiar design, radical internal overhaul. At first glance, the Osmo Action 6 might look like its predecessors, and that's a good thing. The same compact, durable, weatherproof body returns, built to take a beating without breaking a sweat. But under the hood, it's an entirely new beast. DJI is equipping the Osmo Action 6 with a 1-inch CMOS sensor, a huge leap over the smaller sensors in earlier models. This means dramatically better dynamic range, richer detail, and noticeably improved low-light performance. This new sensor turns night scenes into cinematic masterpieces. No more blown-out highlights or noisy shadows. Whether you're capturing neon-lit city streets or dusky forest trails, this cam's got your back. Pro-quality, low-light performance. One of the biggest struggles with action cams has always been low light. That grainy, washed-out look? It's going extinct. DJI is reportedly rolling out new image processing algorithms that push low-light capabilities into professional territory. Expect sharper visuals, more accurate color reproduction, and less digital noise, even in near darkness. From sunset skate park sessions to exploring dimly lit caves, your footage will now have that cinematic edge, straight out of the camera. Slow motion reinvented. Want to slow down the action like never before? The Osmo Action 6 can shoot in 4K at 120 FPS, delivering silky smooth slow-motion playback that makes every frame count. Whether it's your BMX backflips, cliff dives, or dramatic waterfalls, the level of fluidity and crispness in slow motion is on another level. It's perfect for storytelling, social media, and turning everyday moments into epic highlights. Rocksteady 4.0? Yes, please. Stabilization has been DJI's game for years, and they're pushing it even further here. The Osmo Action 6 is set to come with an enhanced version of Rocksteady stabilization, likely dubbed Rocksteady 4.0. Expect smoother shots, even if you're bouncing down a trail or sprinting across uneven ground. The gimbal-free stabilization tech here means zero hassle, just mount it and go. Bigger, brighter touch displays. Control and framing are about to get easier too. The rear screen is getting an upgrade, now larger and brighter, making it more usable even under harsh sunlight. No more squinting while trying to check your frame mid-hike. Even better, the front display is now fully touch-enabled. That means no more flipping the camera around to tweak settings. This change is a dream come true for vloggers. Instant access to menus, shooting modes, and previews with a simple tap. Audio upgrades that matter. Video's only half the story. Sound matters too, and DJI is stepping it up. The built-in microphones are getting upgraded for cleaner, more directional pickup with enhanced wind noise reduction. Even more exciting is the rumored plug-and-play external mic system. No more fiddling with adapters or sketchy third-party accessories. This will be a huge win for creators who want crisp, professional audio in challenging environments. Smarter battery equals longer shoots. Battery life has always been a concern in high-performance action cams. DJI is addressing that head-on. The Osmo Action 6 is expected to deliver up to 100 minutes of 4K 60 FPS recording, which is seriously impressive. But the real kicker? Rapid charging. A quick 20-minute charge can reportedly give you up to 80% battery life. That's game-changing for creators constantly on the move. Manual Pro controls and custom LUTs. For those who love full control, DJI isn't holding back. Manual video modes are finally coming, including customizable ISO, shutter speed, white balance, and more. You'll also get support for custom LUTs and flat color profiles, giving you maximum flexibility in post-production. If you're the type who loves tweaking every color and shadow in DaVinci Resolve or Premiere Pro, this camera's for you. And now, let's take flight, Mavic 4 Pro. If DJI's new ground camera is all about compact power, their next drone is about cinematic dominance. The Mavic 4 Pro is DJI's upcoming flagship foldable drone. And from everything we know, it's going to be monstrously good. Aerial camera with a full-frame sensor? Yes, you read that right. The Mavic 4 Pro is rumored to pack a full-frame sensor, possibly the same 4/3 CMOS sensor seen in the high-end DJI Inspire 3. This sensor size is virtually unheard of in compact drones. Why does that matter? Image depth, low light performance, dynamic range, and shallow depth of field all go through the roof. This drone will not only compete with professional cameras, it might replace them. Ridiculous video specs. Let's talk video. 8K at 60 FPS, 4K at 120 FPS, 10-bit color depth, HLG and D-Log-M profiles. Those are numbers that even high-end cinema cameras would envy. If you want Hollywood-level video from a drone, you can fold up and throw in your backpack. This is it. Triple lens system with zoom versatility. DJI may borrow the triple lens layout from the Mavic 3 Pro, offering wide, mid-range, and telephoto lenses. This setup gives creators a cinematic range of perspectives without needing to land and swap gear. Each lens is expected to have independent stabilization and smart focus capabilities, opening up new creative possibilities from the sky. Smarter AI equals safer flights. Obstacle avoidance is going to be more intelligent and aware than ever. The Mavic 4 Pro will reportedly feature omnidirectional sensing, powered by AI to actively map and understand its environment in real time. It won't just avoid trees and wires. It'll reroute, track, and adjust its behavior like an autonomous assistant. Whether you're following a fast-moving car or weaving through mountain ranges, this drone will stay locked in. Longer flights, stronger connection. The next-gen OcuSync transmission system is expected to push range up to 20 kilometers with 1080p low-latency live streaming. That means you'll see exactly what your drone sees in real time, even from crazy distances. Flight time? Over 45 minutes on a single charge. More time in the sky equals more footage, more options, more freedom.